Hello, everyone. Today, I hope you are enjoying your movement restriction period, but I still need to teach you how to do Pearson correlation. Well, this is my first time doing this, so I'm going to be a little bit slow. Hence, there will be like 3 short videos for this. Okay, let's start. Okay, remember the article that I gave you on Afghan students and their attitude in learning the English language, right? Maybe I can share with you here. Yeah, here it is. Remember the conceptual framework at the beginning of the article? We can see that, actions, feelings, beliefs, how it contributes or relates to attitudes. And we have all these 3 variables, being, in our questionnaire as remember, the B1 to B10, that's the cognitive attitude. C1 to C10, that's the affective attitude. And lastly, D1 to D10, that's the psychomotor attitude. Yeah, there. See, this is B. We label it as B1 to B10. Participants' cognitive attitude towards learning English. And we label C1 to C10 as participants' affective attitude towards learning the English language, and we label D1 to D10 as participants' behavioral attitude towards learning the English language. Yeah. And here, look at table 2, right? We have the behavioral aspect, that's B1 to B10. We have the cognitive aspect, that's C1 to C10. And we have the affective aspect, that's D1 to D10. So what is general attitude? General attitude here is represented by the question B1 to D10. So 30 questions, yeah? Okay, now we have that. I shall show you how to, what to do with your data. Okay, we go to SPSS again, and we can see here in your variable view the question of variables B1 to B10 and C1 to C10 and D1 to D10. How do we transform these 10 questions to B1, right? All these 10 questions, they should go under one column, as maybe I shall label them cognitive attitude. So look carefully, we will click on transform, compute variable there, and let me delete this first. We will type in cognitive attitude. Okay, so what you need to do is in the function box here, function group, click on statistical, right? And in the functions and special variables, click on mean, right? Then you see the arrow pointing upwards there. Just click on that, and in the numeric expression box, mean, bracket, question mark, comma, question mark, close bracket will appear. But what you need to do is you click on B1, the first question for cognitive attitude, and you shift it from column right to column, from column left to column right. Yeah, see, it appears there. And you type comma. And you do again to question B2, comma, right? Okay. Continue doing question 3, B3, and don't forget the comma. B4, transfer to the right, comma. B5, transfer to the right, comma. Click on B6, click on arrow, transfer to column right, and comma. Click on B7, click arrow, transfer to the right, don't forget comma. B8, arrow, comma. B9, arrow, comma. And B10, transfer to column, transfer to box on the right, and you don't need a comma, you need to close bracket. So after you have all that, you can now click OK. Here, SPSS will run. Yeah, in the output window, SPSS will run the test for you. You will not see any, any graphs or any tables here. But if you click again, yeah, if you click on here on the data set window and you click on data view, you will see, tada, the column cognitive A, which represents all the 10 questions labeled B answered by 10 respondents in my questionnaire. So you will see, and if you want to make it, align, you want to align center, all you need to do is variable and click center there, right? We have it center. What are we going to do with this column, with cognitive A later on? We want to run correlation test whether cognitive A, yeah, the questions labeled B, 1 to B10, whether it is related to general attitude in learning English language. Well, I hope you can do that, because in the next video, yeah, I will show you how to run the test, Pearson correlation, to show if there is correlation between cognitive attitude and general attitude, and how do we get this column general attitude? We do the same thing like we just did just now with questions B1 to B10, but to get general attitude, we have to involve all 30 questions. So what you need to click into column on the right is from B1 until B10, then C1 until C10, then D1 until D10, 30 questions altogether. Okay, that's been very interesting to be on this video for you. Well, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.